So as you may have noticed, I haven't posted any long form or really any short form, maybe not even this year or not in 2023 anyway, I don't think, but maybe the odd short or something. And that's because, you know, anyone who's followed this channel or seen any community posts or whatever knows that I ordered the Sony 70-350. And when it came, it arrived, I looked at it and I was a bit like, oh yeah, it's a lens. And that really was a bit of a turning point for me, you know. It's an expensive purchase. I sort of been really excited to get it out of the box, get it on the camera, take a photo, but I just wasn't. And I guess that's led to me having some thoughts about where I want to take this channel. Do I want to continue doing it? Do I want to continue doing photography? Because am I that bothered? And it turns out that really, I'm not that bothered about photography. Yeah, I love taking photos. I've got the camera, but you know, I've sold my Sigma 16mm. I've also sold the 30mm. So all I've got now is my A6400 and the 18-50 f2.8. So basically just the camera and a kit lens replacement in a way. All the other lenses have gone because I'm going to change the channel. And if you scroll back to maybe one of my first videos or first couple of videos, you'll know the topic. But basically, I am going back to this. Why am I doing that? Well, the thing is, I'm quite passionate about coffee and I make coffees and brew coffees every day. And I'm actually on the Gadget Classic quite sort of not experienced, but I know its quirks, its charms, its positives, its negatives. A lot of people love the Niche Zero as well. Also, we've got the Aria brewer, which is in there somewhere. I've got brewers and all sorts, flat bottom and all that stuff. So I'm just a lot more passionate about coffee, and you know, I think I was almost forcing myself to make videos on photography and go out and film. And I think maybe that was apparent, but also probably my lack of knowledge in that field probably really was paying or doing me a disservice really in a negative way. You know, I don't think you should probably ever start a channel knowing nothing about it, and that's exactly what I did. And some of my videos, believe it or not, were actually taking someone else's video and putting my spin on it, which, yeah. And obviously there's going to be topics that everyone covers anyway, aren't they? You know, two people are bound to cover talking about auto ISO, but my ideas basically were from other people, which is not really what I wanted to do. So, you know, I think it's a case of, where's the camera gone? So I think it's a case of going back to my roots and going back to coffee. So I hope you're going to stick around. Completely, you know, if you're not into coffee and you wanted photography, then I completely understand if you unsubscribe. I'd be in the same boat as you. You know what I mean? You're not gonna. If you're not interested in coffee, you're not going to watch. But I know a lot of my subscribe base is still the initial videos I did, and obviously one video for a coffee scale. This scale to be precise, or I think I did 2 videos on it. They're my most watched videos on the channel, sort of all time or lifetime. And also they continually, if you have got a channel and you go into YouTube Studio, you go onto your 48-hour stats and all that, those videos are continually at the top. I think it's because there's not many videos on it and I probably rank quite high. But nonetheless, it shows that people want to see me do coffee stuff, and yeah, I'm excited to get started. So I've got some couple of projects in the pipeline, especially based on the Gadget Classic. I'm also planning to change that to a dual boiler. I've been planning for a while. Couple of options. I'm not really sure if it's go to sort of the Sage dual boiler, excellent value for money, or maybe take that step up, bit of a better finish, but then you've got the E61 group head. Is that good or bad with the Lilith Bianca V3? So yeah, hope to catch you guys in the next one.